So I like to say something about topics. So COVID-19. Now I say that coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Most people infected with the virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring any special treatment. However, some will become seriously ill and requiring medicine attention. Older people and those underlying medicine conditions like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, or cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. Find out if anyone candidate with COVID-19 and become seriously ill or die at any time. COVID-19 coronavirus are the largest family of virus that cause illness vary from the common cold to more severe disease. Find out more about this novel coronavirus that has not been previously identified in humans. Coronavirus affect different people in different ways. In the people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms: fever, throat, tiredness, loss of taste or smell. Less common symptoms: sore throat, headache, excess and pain, diabetes, diarrhea, areas of skin or discoloration of fingers or toes, red or eye-detected eyes. Coronavirus in the are attacking and the Bangladesh the many countries: Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, South Africa, West Indies, in the many countries. And now it is the Russia, because Russia is the big country of the earth. So they are attacking in the coronavirus easily. And Bangladesh is the small country. So there are not coronavirus in the peoples. And Bharat and India is the very big countries. So there are many people are very dirty. So they are infected easily. COVID-19. At the South Africa, there are new COVID-19 attack in the South Africa. This name is Omicron. The scientists say that Omicron virus is the Omicron effective is the very attack, very dangerous attack. We have many problems. We have some solution to COVID-19. We have the show. We wear masks. We wear hand gloves. We are very healthy and we are COVID-19. We are the home quarantine in 4 days. And the COVID-19 people, the many solution of the COVID-19 such as they are attacking the COVID-19. They are the home isolation in their house for 14 days. A second rule is they are go to the hospital and check up their doctors. They are in the doctor ICU. And third rule is they are following the health rules from the COVID-19, and they are wash their hand, sanitize their hand, and many things such as fruits, water and other things. They are the sanitize the other things. And they are wired the masks of oxygen, so they are very healthy from their 40 cases. And the very COVID-19 attacks, they are go to the isolation because they are very attached. So they shoot on the oxygen and they need blood because other bloods are attacking COVID-19, so they who affected in COVID-19, the people are taking vaccine. The vaccine don't destroy virus, but they can help from the virus because the original virus are not very. And they taken virus, they take vaccine from the people. They should make three many healthy from the people should. First, they wash hands, sanitize their faces. Two, wear the dirty clothes, don't wear the dirty clothes, wear new clothes so they are very healthy. And having not eat the dirty water and dirty things. They will eat so they are the very healthy from the COVID and they are the destroyer of COVID-19 viruses. And we should destroy the COVID-19 today. And I should be we are the healthy from COVID-19 and we are free from COVID-19. The original vaccine are ready. The COVID-19 was destroyed in the earth and go to the earth.
Okay, can I ask the person? At present time, what's the condition of coronavirus? At present time, what's the condition?
The condition of the COVID-19 is very bad. Russia, United Kingdom, United States, India, etc. And South Africa is now come from the condition of COVID-19 addict.
Okay, at present time, what's the condition of Bangladesh?
The condition of the Bangladesh is very good. At the 2020, the condition was very bad from the Russia. At present, the COVID-19 was dated 20 people dated at 1 and 2. At the 26th November, the COVID-19 people not test the Bangladesh. I'm very happy from the recent to the news.
Is necessary for student that is college or school students who are the kindergarten school, primary school or high school or college students, if they needed to take that coronavirus vaccine or corona vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine?
Yes, the students taking the vaccine. That from 12 to 18 years old students. I think I taken the vaccine of Philippines because my old is Philippines as well. And others were the 12 to 18 years old. They are taking the COVID-19 vaccine and the name of the COVID-19 vaccine is Sinopharm vaccine. Our health minister can say that when students taking the Sinopharm vaccine.
And which vaccine is so important and so healthy for the that is which type of vaccines that is actively work in the body?
Sinopharm vaccine is the very good and other words is not bad.
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you. No more now.
And I